Merry Vlogmas! Today we are making cranberry muffins. Hey good people, this is my first time making these, so let's do this together. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 large eggs, 2 oranges for zest, a half a cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, light or dark will work, a half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of frozen cranberries. Using a large bowl, put your butter in the bowl. It works best if your butter's room temperature is easier to mix. Next, use a handheld mixer to get your butter nice and creamy. Next, add your brown sugar and your granulated sugar. Using the handheld mixer, mix them all together. Add your 2 large eggs and then your yogurt. Mix everything together. Now add your vanilla. Now go ahead and start scraping your 2 large oranges for zest. Using a spoon, scrape off the sides of the bowl as needed, and then grab your mixer and mix everything all together. Now grab another large bowl so we can start mixing the dry ingredients. Go ahead and add your flour, along with your 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of salt. Using a whisk, combine all your dry ingredients. Now add the wet ingredients from the first bowl. Using that same whisk, combine all your ingredients. Now add 1 tablespoon of both orange juice and milk. After you're done whisking it all together, this is what your mixture should look like. Now let's add our 1 1/2 cups of frozen cranberries. Using a spatula, fold the cranberries into the batter. Spray your muffin pan with non-stick spray, or of course use cupcake liners, and start filling. Top off each muffin with 3 cranberries. Load them bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Use a toothpick to stick in the middle. If the toothpick comes out clean, then they're done. And let them cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. While they're cooling, let's go ahead and make the icing. So for the icing, all you'll need is 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix both in a small bowl. After you let the muffins cool off, prepare to drip the icing over the muffins. Of course, use as much or as little, or even none at all if you want to. And voila, there you go, cranberry muffins. I'll take these over cranberry sauce any day. Can I do that? Probably not. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and for the support. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye!